Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start. Question number 1. The flush tank ballcock should be equipped with an adequate means of protection against back siphonage into the domestic water supply. A blank is satisfactory for this purpose. Letter A, pressure regulator. Letter B, shut-off valve. Letter C, double-check valve. Letter D, vacuum breaker. The answer is letter D, vacuum breaker. Question number 2. Contamination of water by biological agents can be minimized by the following, except blank. Letter A, selecting water sources that normally support much plant or animal life. Letter B, protecting the supply against subsequent contamination by biological agents. Letter C, minimizing entrance of fertilizing materials, such as organic and nutrient minerals. Letter D, providing treatment for the destruction of biological life or its byproducts. The answer is letter A, selecting water sources that normally support much plant or animal life. Question number 3. The maximum volume of water that can be withdrawn legally and economically, to be used for beneficial purposes, without causing an undesired result. Letter A, permissive mining yield. Letter B, maximum mining yield. Letter C, permissive sustained yield. Letter D, maximum sustained yield. The answer is letter A, permissive mining yield. Question number 4. This zone extends from the bottom of the soil water zone to the top of the capillary fringe and may vary from non-existence to several hundred feet in thickness. The zone is essentially a connecting link between the near ground surface region and the near water table region, through which infiltrating waters must pass. Letter A, soil water zone. Letter B, intermediate zone. Letter C, capillary zone. Letter D, zone of saturation. The answer is letter B, intermediate zone. Question number 5. Which of the following processes in water treatment involves the removal of suspended solids by allowing water to pass through a porous medium? Letter A, coagulation. Letter B, sedimentation. Letter C, filtration. Letter D, disinfection. The answer is letter C, filtration. Question number 6. As per NFPA, the color code of the sprinkler head with a temperature rating of 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Letter A, orange. Letter B, red. Letter C, yellow. Letter D, green. The answer is letter D, green. Question number 7. A strong oxidizing agent that has strong disinfecting capability. A yellow-green gas, it is extremely corrosive, and is toxic to humans in extremely low concentrations. Letter A, ozone. Letter B, hydrogen peroxide. Letter C, chlorine. Letter D, permanganate. The answer is letter C, chlorine. Question number 8. The specific flux is called the blank when clean, reagent quality water is being filtered through a new and used membrane. Letter A, membrane potential. Letter B, membrane reactor. Letter C, membrane permeability. Letter D, membrane fouling. The answer is letter C, membrane permeability. Question number 9. It has found wide application in sewer design because it applies both to sewers flowing full and those flowing partially full, being the condition most frequently encountered. Letter A, Manning equation. Letter B, Hazen-Williams equation. Letter C, Darcy-Weisbach equation. Letter D, Euler's equation. The answer is letter A, Manning equation. Question number 10. A condition results in the necessity to pump sewage in a gravity collection system, wherein long pipe runs to reach the wastewater treatment plant may result in sewers that are very deep. At some point, either the angle of repose of the soil limits the excavation perpendicular to the sewer because of available space, or the cost of further excavation is prohibitive. Letter A, hilly terrain. Letter B, obstacles. Letter C, groundwater. Letter D, flat terrain. The answer is letter D, flat terrain. Question number 11. These are microorganisms that use inorganic compounds as electron donors to conserve energy for growth. Letter A, phototrophs. Letter B, organotrophs. Letter C, chemotrophs. Letter D, lithotrophs. The answer is letter D, lithotrophs. Question number 12. A plot of the accumulated precipitation against time, plotted in chronological order. These are very useful in extracting information on the duration and magnitude of a storm. Letter A, hyetograph. Letter B, point rainfall. Letter C, moving average. Letter D, mass curve of rainfall. The answer is letter D, mass curve of rainfall. Question number 13. Treated water is always used for backwashing blank. Letter A, to avoid contamination of the filter bed. Letter B, because of its availability. Letter C, because the use of untreated water is more costly. Letter D, to lessen sludge disposal problems. The answer is letter A, to avoid contamination of the filter bed. Question number 14. Which chemical is considered most effective for removing or destroying the effect of phenols in water? Letter A, activated carbon. Letter B, Cl2. Letter C, ClO2. Letter D, KMNO4. The answer is letter A, activated carbon. Question number 15. Adsorption operates on the principle of blank. Letter A, adhesion. Letter B, chance collision. Letter C, gravity. Letter D, magnetic polarization. The answer is letter A, adhesion. Question number 16. Calcium carbonate stability refers to blank. Letter A, a condition where calcium carbonate, pH and alkalinity are in equilibrium. Letter B, a theoretical property of water. Letter C, a condition where water will neither dissolve nor deposit calcium carbonate. Letter D, water in equilibrium where the measured pH is equal to the Langelier index. The answer is letter C, a condition where water will neither dissolve nor deposit calcium carbonate. Question number 17. These are among the exceptions to harmless growth organisms in distributed water, and they are not measured by HPC tests. It can grow to significant numbers in warm waters, hot tubs, hot water lines and shower heads, and probably in the plumbing systems of large buildings, and in cooling towers for air conditioner heat exchangers. Letter A, Klebsiella. Letter B, Legionella. Letter C, Serratia. Letter D, Aromonas. The answer is letter B, Legionella. Question number 18. If the bed of the stream is below the groundwater table, during periods of low flows in the stream, the water surface may go down below the general water table elevation, and the groundwater contributes to the flow in the stream. Such streams that receive groundwater flow are called blank. Letter A, effluent streams. Letter B, influent streams. Letter C, infiltrated streams. Letter D, filtrated streams. The answer is letter A, effluent streams. Question number 19. The ratio of the inertia forces to the viscous forces is called blank. Letter A, Reynolds number. Letter B, Einstein's equivalence principle. Letter C, Mach's number. Letter D, mass moment of inertia. The answer is letter A, Reynolds number. Question number 20. A coagulant that is added to raw water to form floc for solids removal and water treatment. Letter A, sodium hydroxide. Letter B, chlorine dioxide. Letter C, aluminum sulfate. Letter D, calcium hypochlorite. The answer is letter C, aluminum sulfate. Question number 21. It is used in the detection of coliforms and E. coli in water, wastewater, and food. It is not intended for use in diagnosis, treatment, or prevention of disease in humans. Letter A, thioglycolate broth. Letter B, lauryl sulfate broth. Letter C, trypticase soy agar. Letter D, xyloslicine deoxycholate. The answer is letter B, lauryl sulfate broth. Question number 22. In the Uniform Fire Code, Class II liquid, and higher classes, are called combustible liquid, has flash points from 100 degrees up to but not including 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The following are examples of combustible liquids, except blank. Letter A, gasoline. Letter B, Stoddard solvent. Letter C, diesel. Letter D, naphtha. The answer is letter A, gasoline. Question number 23. Minimum temperature at which a liquid or solid gives off sufficient vapor to form an ignitable vapor-air mixture near the surface of the liquid or solid. Letter A, permanent point. Letter B, boiling point. Letter C, fire point. Letter D, flash point. The answer is letter D, flash point. Question number 24. It reduces the splashing and in addition provides a shelf for the storage of toiletries. The fixture is made of either vitreous china or enameled iron. Letter A, shelf-back lavatory. Letter B, slab-type lavatory. Letter C, splashback lavatory. Letter D, ledge-back lavatory. The answer is letter A, shelf-back lavatory. Question number 25. It is minimum spacing required to use a double sanitary T fitting from the centerline of the water closet outlet to the entrance of the fitting. This spacing rule out a back-to-back water closet connection. Letter A, 60 inches. Letter B, 15 inches. Letter C, 30 inches. Letter D, 45 inches. The answer is letter C, 30 inches. And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck, future master plumbers.